I got 4 blind boxes. One is sweeping. Oops. Second sweeping. This one I already opened. It is Best of Dream Fridge Magnet Blind Box. For this, I want Best Dream. I do want Bright Future really badly, it's beautiful. Or I want Good Health. I also got Sweeping Kiss You. In this one, I would want Have a Great Day, Kiss, Good Night, or Let's Be Best Friends. For this one, I would want Kitten and Yarn Ball, Bear Bell, Honey Bear, Angel's Blessing, or Collecting Wishes. And from the one that I got, the fridge magnet, I have got this really cute Sweet Love crybaby little, it says fridge magnet, but this isn't a fridge magnet. There's nothing sticky at the bottom. Just this little power button, and then I can install some batteries in here. I'm assuming when I press this ignite lights up. Potentially something happens. Again, I don't know. It's very squishy though. It's like a little toy. They should have me name this Best of Dreams fidget toy, because you can just press the ignite to relieve stress, for fun, joy. This is good for little kids. When they chew on this, it's not gonna like do anything. It might actually, it's hard. Never mind. It's good for little kids, I guess. Yeah.